What can you do if you've been charged criminally and you ask for a public defender and they assign you a public defender, maybe due to the sheer volume of cases that most public defenders have, you want to hire an attorney. Can you, and how would you go about doing that? Well, the answer is yes. You can hire a criminal defense attorney, or someone can hire one for you of your choosing anytime you want, even if you have been given a public defender by the court. So yes, you can do it. Now, how should you do it? You should look at and find an attorney whom you can get along with and who has the competence to handle that type of case that you might be dealing with. Now, a couple of things to think about. Number one, most attorneys are generally competent. And if someone holds themselves out, like I do as someone who does criminal defense, we've got the experience and we can back up what we're doing. There are a few guys that don't, or they're new to things, and that's okay. But to me, a lot of times the more critical thing in choosing an attorney is one whom you can communicate with, talk to, and that you get along with, because there's a lot of competent attorneys, but there may not be a lot of attorneys that can jive with your personality. So if you have a public defender and you want to change, you absolutely have the right to go hire your own attorney and work out a private fee agreement with whatever attorney you want, provided they're licensed in the jurisdiction that you're dealing with criminal charges on.